welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be my intro for my 19 in 2019 project pan. What that is I want to finish or hit goal on 19 products in 2019. The goal that I have this year is basically to get through as many open products in my collection or little size products as possible. I really would like to get my numbers down, so that's the best way for me to do it. So I really want to try and finish as much as I can. So if you see that I have a small product, I will be rolling something else in its place once it's done. It's gonna stay in the same category, but these are the products that I definitely want to finish and concentrate on. And then when these are done, another product will be rolled in. Hope that makes any sense. So to start with, I have more than 19 products, but some of them I'm calling as one item. I think that will make sense once we talk about them. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. If you're new here, I hope you subscribe and give this video a like if you enjoy it. I'm gonna start off with a face product, which is, or like a skincare product, and that's the Caudalie Vino Perfect Overnight Renewal Cream. I've had this guy open for a while. The shelf life on it is 9 months. It's getting close to the 9 months, so I would really like to finish it before it goes bad. I am currently at this black line over here, so it would be really nice to finish it. As soon as I finish it, I will roll in another skincare product, kind of like the same category, but this is the one that I really want to finish. I did go ahead and weigh most of these items. Just for reference, this guy weighs 17 grams today. So from now on, I'll continue to weigh it for each update. Item number 2, whew, my stuff went flying, is this Victoria's Secret body lotions called Fragrance Lotion. And this is the scent Silk Mandarin Santal, I think. I have it sitting upside down just because I find it a lot easier to get the product out. So when it is upside down and settled all the way down, I'm at this black line, and this guy weighs at 127 grams, 127 grams. Again, when I finish this product, I will be rolling in another body lotion. I want to get through as many of the open products in my collection as I can before they go bad, basically. Item number 3 is an eyeliner, and for that I picked out the by Rimmel London, the Scandal Eyes Waterproof Kohl Liner, and this is in the shade 003 Brown. I really enjoy this eye pencil. I've had it for quite some time. I would like to really finish it. The shelf life on it is 30 months, so it's pretty, long shelf life, but I've had it for, getting close to the 30-month, if I remember correctly. So I would like to finish it before it goes bad or start irritating my eyes. Item number 4 is a perfume, and for that, I'm saying that perfume because that's how I have them written down on my notes. And I have the Narciso Rodriguez Flor Musk for her. I am currently at this black line over here. I would like to finish this guy. It smells really nice. It's definitely a wintry, or I feel like it's a wintry scent, more appropriate for fall and winter. So I want to finish it, and if I do finish it, I will roll a different perfume in. Number 5, I put in the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I've had this open for a long time. I've been meaning to work on it to finish it, but other concealers just pop up in the way, so I haven't been able to work exclusively on this guy. So I would like to really finish it. I know there's a lot of product in here because if I remember correctly, I've barely used this, and I'm currently at 29 grams of this product. It's gonna be hard to mark, but we're just gonna use it. And there's a lot of product in here. Just for reference, this has 10 milliliters. A lot of the other concealers in my collection are around the 5. So there's a lot of product in here. I really would like to finish this guy before it goes bad. Number 6 for me is the Maybelline Press Powder, the Fit Me Press Powder. This is in the shade 225 Medium Buff. It's a little dark for me at this point, so it is more for summertime when I have a little bit of tan. I had a nice pen in this. I repressed it. I think it was too early for me to repress it, honestly, because there's still a lot of product in here. And I did not do a very good job repressing. I think I repressed it too loosely. I really want to finish it and be done with it and get it out of my collection. And this guy weighs 45 grams. Number 7 is the Catrice Cosmetics, the Illuminating Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Fixing Spray. I was trying to let it settle all the way so I can mark it. I'm pretty high up. It's basically brand new in my collection. I would like to finish it. It is 82 grams today, so I would really like to finish it. And if I do, I'll roll in a different setting spray. Number 8 is the AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder. This was, or I had added it in 2018 just to make more progress on it. I did make really good progress on it. I really enjoyed this product. It's something that I would consider actually repurchasing if I place a Shop Miss A order. And I am currently 24 grams on this product. I want to finish it. I don't think it's gonna be a problem. I think that is very doable on this guy. Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector. This is also like pretty new in my collection. I've used it maybe a couple times, like 5-6 times. It's a very small guy, but it's very emollient. You really don't need a lot of this product to correct under the eye. I would really like to finish it. Again, my goal is to finish it, not to hit pan or anything like that. I want to be done with this guy because I do have another under eye corrector like this. This just so little. It would be nice to be done with this, and that weighs 25 grams. I do understand that, like for example, a product like this, the amount of product in the whole thing is 2.3 grams. So I probably won't see any drop in grams until like maybe I'm halfway through it. It might drop 1 gram because again, this is 2.3 gram product in here. The whole thing weighs 25 grams, but that's just for reference. You know, when I hit the 24 grams or the 23 grams, it would be empty at that point. Hope that makes any sense. Number 10 for me is this guy by It Cosmetics, and that's the Je ne sais quoi lip treatment. This guy is brand new. I just got it not that long ago. Well, I ordered it from QVC, so it is brand new. It still has the little seal on it. I do want to finish it. I don't know why I keep buying treatment, you know, lip treatment products. It took me a full year to finish one lip mask. So I think this will take me a really long time to finish as well, but it is what it is. It's 13 grams, but again, I think it only has 1.7 gram of product when I looked at it right before I filmed, if I'm remembering correctly, that is. Okay, 11 and 12 are both from this e.l.f. contour palette. Number 11 is the bronzer in here. I would like to finish the bronzer. I do have a really nice dip in it. I would like to finish it. And then number 12 would be to hit pan in the contour shade. I've barely used the contour shade. I've definitely more use of the bronzer. I had completely finished this guy. There's just a little tiny bit that I just can't reach, the yellow shade, and I do have a really nice pan in the like that white setting shade, but I really want to concentrate on these two. I want to finish the bronzer, hit pan in the contour. Once that happens, I will be getting rid of this palette because as much as I like it, I don't need so many contour palettes. Then I'll be able to move on to other contouring stuff that I do have. Number 13 and 14 are also in one palette, and this is the Becca Afterglow palette. It says the shelf life on this is 6 months. I've had it for almost 2 years now. I don't know why it says 6 months, honestly. I mean, the products are still great in here. What I want to concentrate on is this highlighter. This is Moonstone, and this blush, which is Flower Child. I would like to finish both of these products. Again, the highlighter and the blush in here. The rest of the palette, if I get some use out of it, I will be happy. The highlighting shades in here are pretty dark for me, like those two, which is Rose Gold and Topaz. So this would be rose gold and this would be topaz. They're a little bit too dark for me. So I don't think I can finish them, but I would like to make some use out of them. Anyway, the goal out of this palette is both Moonstone and Flower Child to finish both of these. Number 15, I put in this Tila Glitter and Glow like eyeshadow thing. I have barely used this guy. I would really like to finish it. I don't have a lot of products like this in my collection, and it's for a good reason. They go bad pretty quickly, they dry out. So I would like to finish it before it goes bad. My goal is not to like hit halfway mark or anything like that. I want to be done with this guy in 2019. Okay, item number 16 is the Ulta Beauty Brow Tint in medium. I thought there's not a whole lot of product in here, but actually if you like scrape the edges, it ends up being very goopy. So I know there's quite a bit in here, probably like a long time to finish it, honestly, because you don't need a lot. And look, I mean, it comes out pretty goopy. I really had thought that it's not a lot product until I did that motion. I would like to finish it. I don't need, I think I have like 4 or 5 brow mascaras in my collection, so I don't need so many. I want to finish this guy and move on to another one, you know, bring down that category. Okay, for number 17, I put in 2 products. I'm calling them one item, and both are a brow pencil. I have the e.l.f. brow pencil. I think this is Natural Brunette. There's not a lot of product in here, and that's why I put 2. So this is kind of like a gimme product. I would like to really finish it, and then, or I am gonna finish it, and then when I finish it, I'm gonna start working on this guy, but I'm calling these like one item. And this is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. So I have a lot of product in here. See, like this guy is still like full size. Now, if I finish both of these, then I'll roll in another brow pencil from my collection. And then, but the goal is to finish both of these products and calling them one item. Hope that makes any sense. Okay, number 18 is also 2 items, and they are both little. This is by Peter Thomas Roth. This is the 24 karat like prism highlighter. I weighed this guy and it's 3 grams, and then I want to finish this guy as well, which is the MAC Strobe Cream in gold, and this is 10 grams. These I'm calling one item. I'll probably work on this first. Once I finish it, I'll work on this guy. Once both of these are done, I'm gonna move on to another liquid highlighter like this in my collection. I don't know, it's not a category that I really like to have, so it would be nice to be completely gone with that category or narrow it very, very down in 2019. And then the last item, which is number 19, is actually also 3 items. So these 3 I really want to finish, I really want to be done with, and then if I finish them, I will roll in another face primer. They're all face primers. The first one is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. This is a primer and moisturizer in one. I absolutely love this guy. It currently weighs at 13 grams, and I did mark it my start point, so we'll be able to see my progress. The other one is Becca Velvet Blurring Primer with, how many grams is this guy? I weighed it and it was 15 grams. And then the last one is by Benefit, and this is the Professional Pearl Primer, and this guy weighed at 5 grams. So once I finish all of these are considered one item. Once I finish all these, I will roll in another face primer. It could be a small size, a sample size item like this, or a full size. I still am not sure. Again, primers, I have so many, especially like deluxe size samples or samples like this. I have a lot in my collection, and I would really like to narrow down that category, bring my numbers down a little bit. This is it. These are my 19 products. I know there were more than 19, but some items, again, I'm counting as one. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you are doing a 19 in 2019 or a similar project, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to check it out and see your progress and support you in your journey. And again, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.